Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Kevin's Live here in Dunbrody House, and it's an amazing day. And it's that time of year, and we are talking about beautiful Wexford strawberries. And what better way to celebrate these amazing strawberries is doing it in a lovely meringue roulade. One of my all-time favorite desserts: meringue, cream, and strawberries. Come here, you can't beat that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to throw on our meringue. So 1 part egg whites to 2 parts caster sugar. We get that going. Hold on. Get that beaten up first, and then once that beats up, we can add in half the sugar, and then we'll add in the other half after. And we're gonna, at that stage, we're gonna add in our sugar and our little bit of vanilla essence in there. What we've done is we've just lined this with a little bit of with parchment paper. So all to do is spray it with a little bit of oil on the bottom, and then put in the parchment paper. And the reason why I do that is so the parchment paper sticks to the tray. We have fresh strawberries there, and we've got some whipped cream. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of the strawberries into a bowl here and add some whipped cream to that. I kind of want to mix those together. Lovely stuff. So we're just going to put our meringue mix spread that out.
Can you prepare them in advance?
You can prepare the meringue in advance, and I'd only put it together right at the last minute or like that day. That's going to go into the oven at 160 degrees for 15-20 minutes max. Put a cloth on the meringue. You can see here this is the meringue that we've done earlier. Okay, lift that off. Oh, you can see it's just lovely, lovely marshmallowy meringue. They're delish. Very nice. Cream there.
It's such a thing as putting too much cream for the dessert.
Well, you don't want too much in there. You want like enough, but if you put too much in there, it'll just be oozing out. You can always add cream to it when it's like when you're serving it. And do a spoon. Okay, so grab your cloth then, and you just want to roll it. See the way it's rolling there? And just keep rolling it until it's all the way like so. There you have it there. We're just going to put half of this on this, Julie. Is that the plan, is it? What?
Yes, I think at least judge the size here.
Ooh. That's my one, right there. So, lovely. And then you got fresh strawberries on top, like so. Lovely. There you have a beautiful, unbelievably, perfectly tasting, ripe Wexford strawberries in a beautiful meringue roulade. Enjoy that one.